recording them. Yeah, videoing them. What do you think I said? Cranes, like lifting devices. You thought I said cranes? You want me to be more active, so I'm out here walking around, watching them do stuff. And I did some work around the house, and I'm not sitting in my chair. Okay. Oh man, now that was actually a good bag of rock because it had a lot of loose stuff in it, little tiny stuff, which went in, right, it went in around all the cracks and stuff.
All the good stuff.
You know, and then the big rock covered it up. Pretty solid there. Okay? See you later. Talk to you later. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, see you later. How you doing? I'm pretty good. You have a problem with security? No. Okay. It's just, I'm a rail fan guy. You know, we watch the Honda trains, and we go to Dodgeville and Ashland, go to Petersburg, and trains on down the south. That's all. No, I'm not some reporter trying to get.
I was asking them, you take videos nowadays, crazy stuff.
Exactly. I'm just a railroad. Okay. We're just railroad guys. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, I understand you.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, because they do.
That's why when I see around the corner, I seen that, I stepped back.
No, and I talked to the guys doing it. They do what I'm doing. But that, you know, that's busted. Yeah. I wouldn't care if the guy anyway, and if I get to be a problem,
You're fine. You're fine.
All right, thank you, sir. We're in Suffolk at the CSX Commonwealth Railway staging area. This is a 3-track spur that runs about 2 or 3 miles down the road here at Sportsman Boulevard in Suffolk, Virginia. There's no trains running now. They went through about 3 hours ago, but these guys are changing ties, and I want to get some shots of that. It's actually pretty interesting. Of course, sitting on the siding here are 2-9-40 CWs from along the Norfolk Southern. They're sitting here idling. The crew foreman just come up and talked to me and wondered what I was taping for. I had to explain to him that we're just railroad nuts and we want pictures of the trains, because he says nowadays, you know, people recording stuff do all kinds of weird stuff with it, and he wanted to make sure that's not what we was doing. I think I'm going to move to a little bit different position, see if I can get a better angle on this. flat pulling that old tie out. Moving it down. Now he's going to pick up a new tie. That's interesting stuff. How do you guys get the ballast back under the ties? Once you get the tie in place, how do you get the ballast back under it?
Oh, this thing right here, that thing. It'll pull the tie up with some rail. Yeah, vibration. Yeah.
Just curious.
All right.
Now once they get the tie in place, this other machine, I was just talking to the guy, lifts the tie up solid against the track and then tamps the ballast down underneath it. Well, we're going to shut it off here in a minute and hit the road. I'm going to go over and thank the guys for letting me watch. We'll take it back and put it up on YouTube. Let me catch one more tie. Putting the tie under the tracks now with that. Must be a pretty heavy clamp the way it can keep that tie straight with all that weight hanging out. Down to get the next one. Alright, that's all for today. It is Thursday, August 13th, 2015. Thank you, sir.